So, hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. We start this session. First of all, congratulations to our student Ronit. Ronit has cracked a 28 LPASD offer from Cisco. So, congratulations to Ronit Deepak Bhavsar. Like this, daily a student cracks 10 plus LP in our program. That's a normal thing. But today he did it. So, congratulations to him. He was struggling since 8 months. So, you guys also can give your congratulations to him. Now coming to this problem, this is a very difficult problem, okay, based on DP and combinatorics. And if I directly start explaining to you, you will never understand. So I need to follow a different pathway. I need to teach you some basics. Let's say, mhm, let's say there are n people. There are n people, okay, n people are there, and let's say we can give each of them a particular score. We can give each of the n people a particular score, okay. So how many ways are there to assign the score? So first you need to make sure that this concept is clear in your mind, or else in no way you can solve this problem. So n people, right? So let's say guys, we have two people, okay, person 1 and person 2, and x is equal to, let's say, 4. So how many ways are there such that you can give the marks to them? You can give marks in any range from 1 to 4, guys. 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. So the thing is that it comes to common sense. If n equal to 2 and x equal to 4, the first guy, you can give him 1 mark or 2 mark or 3 mark or 4 marks. And the second guy, you can again give him 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark. So how many combinations are there? This one can bond with this one can bond with this two, this one can bond with this three, this one can bond with this four. Similarly, this two with this one. Each guy has 4 options. This guy also has 4 options. This guy also has 4 options. This guy also has 4 options. So basically, it is 4 multiplied by 4. It is 4 square options are there to make sure that these n people, each one of them get a score from 1 to x. So these are the number of ways. Clear? Everyone start writing yes or CLR in the Google chat if they have understanding what is happening here. First, you need to understand how to give the scores to n people. Okay? And the scores you can give from 1 to x. So you need to know the number of ways. If you do not understand this, we cannot even discuss the actual question. Actual question is far out of our reach. Write ready in the Google chat, because I'm now going to ask you a question. You will have to answer it. Guys, there are two people. Okay? Yes, sir. You can give each of them marks from 1 to 5. Tell me how many ways are there. One way is what? Give 1 mark to first person and 1 mark to second person. Or give 2 mark to first person, 2 mark to second person. There are so many ways. Another way is what? 1 mark to first person, 2 mark to second person, 1 mark to first person, 3 mark to this person, 1, 4, 1, 5. So like this, how many ways will be there? This is box method. First box, 5 possibilities. Second box, again 5 possibilities. See na, here you can 5 possibilities. 5. 5 into 5, 25. Pi square. Okay. So guys, what is the formula? So let me change it to n equal to 3. So guys, let's say there are 3 guys. Okay, the feeling should be clear. You should have feelings in life. Not just for your crush, but you should also have feelings for the question. If you do not feel the question and you randomly write the formula, you will never be able to solve a variation of the given problem. Clear? Okay. So guys, now see properly. There are 3 people. Each of them you can give them a score from 1 to 5. So Here there are five possibilities, five possibilities, five multiplied 5 raised to 3. So this is x to n. So hopefully everyone understood that if there are n people, okay, if there are n people and each of them you have to assign a score from 1 to x, there are x raised to n ways. Great job. You understood that. I really liked it. Thank you. Thank you for understanding that. So let's write our first observation before we start solving the actual problem. So this is the prerequisite actually. Guys, what is the prerequisite? You should know this was taught to you in your 11th and 12th standard also, by the way. But if you have forgotten, I am making sure you revisit it. So you have n people. Each of them can be assigned a score from 1 to x. How many? There are x raised to n ways to do it. Okay, so this is clear. Great, nice, awesome. So no need, no nothing, no need of ball in the box, but anyways, so you understand these things. Okay, good. Now I think we can start reading the question. So you are given three integers n, x and y. An event is being held for n performers. Guys, everyone write in the Google chat. Kumar ke sir is special because prerequisites of hard OA questions. Yeah, Vamsi. Guys, everyone write in the Google chat how many performers are there. You need to feel this question deeply, or else you will get confused what is going on with X and Y. How many performers are there, guys? So परफॉर्मर्स को इग्नोर करके हम उनको पीपल बोलेंगे. ये तुमको फालतू का डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. एन लोग है. There are n people. Feel it in your mind. There are n people. Okay, I can feel it. When a person comes, they are assigned to one of the X stages. Oh ho ho ho. So this time they are assigning stages, not score. Okay. So let's take some example. Na? N equal to, okay. Good. X is not the score, Neha Garg. X is the number of stages. So let's say you have one person. Okay, you have one person and you have two stages. Okay, x equal to 2. This is not the score, this is the stage. Okay, this is what? Stage. But you can use it like a score, does not matter. बेसिकली ये बोल रहा है कि ये एक बंदा है, तो इसको ना 1 से x में कुछ भी चिपका सकते हैं. सो इन शॉर्ट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट देयर इज दिस n एंड देन देयर इज दिस x. Whatever I was saying, na, x raised to n, same thing they are also saying. So they are saying that this stage you can assign. Tell me the number of ways to assign a stage to this n. So what you will say? Sir, one box is there. I can either assign stage 1 or stage 2, right? Two stages. So x raised to n. This much is clear to you, right? Okay, guys, write ready in the Google chat because I will discuss now many cases. So this n and x is clear to you means 50% of question you have solved. Okay. So guys, this is the next question. N equal to 5, x equal to 2. So focus. Guys, focus. So 5 people are there. So let's start imagining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are there. This guy can get any score, either 1 or 2. Score, guys, I am saying score, but its meaning is stage. Everyone write in the Google chat stage equal to score. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर स्कोर की जगह स्टेज बोल रहा है, वो उसका मतलब वही है, कुछ और नहीं है. तुम बस उसको अज्यूम कर लो. ओके गाइस, राइट स्टेज इक्वल टू स्कोर फॉर नाउ. ओके, तो अब मैं इसको स्टेज बोलूंगा, तो इस बंदे को या फिर तो समझ रहे हो, बंदे नाचने आए हैं. बंदे नाचने आए हैं, या तो पहले स्टेज में उनको भेजा जाएगा या तो दूसरे स्टेज में भेजा जाएगा. So basically the people are coming for dancing. and each person, they will, the bodyguard or someone will send them to either first stage or second stage, then 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 first stage or second stage. Guys, total how many ways? Two ways here, two ways here, two multiplied 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is nothing but x raised to n. Okay, clear? अब तुम सोच रहे होंगे मैं वही बात बार बार क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, वो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसके बाद जो मैं बताऊंगा तुम्हारे सिर के ऊपर से चला जाएगा, इसलिए आई एम मेकिंग श्योर दैट x raised to n goes deep inside your heart and body, or else you will not understand what I am going to show you next. Okay, okay, this is clear. Lovely, lovely, lovely. But guys, visualization is important. इसमें visualization नहीं हो रहा है. Everyone write guys in the Google chat visualization. मैं तुमको visualize करवाना चाहता हूँ अब. ठीक है? Write in the Google chat visualization fast. Okay, so guys, n equal to 3, x equal to 2. Now. One guy, two guy, three guy. You know there are two ways here, two ways here, two ways here. You will say 2 raised to 3. ये 2 raised to 3 बोल कोई भी सकता है, बट मैं अगर बोलूं कि 2 raised to 3 वेज को दिखाओ तो क्या तुम दिखा पाओगे? सो व्हाट आर द वेज गाइस? x equal to 2 है ना, तो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट वी हैव स्टेजेस हुज नंबर इज 0 and 1. तो गाइस इट विल बी बाइनरी. बाइनरी में 0 लिखिए. हाँ सर लिख दिया. बाइनरी में 1 लिखिए. यस सर लिख दिया, मजा आ गया. बाइनरी में अब आप 2 लिखिए. ओके, 3 4 5 6, ऐसा ही होता है ना, 7. गाइस राइट ब्रिलियंट इन द गूगल चैट इफ यू कैन विजुअलाइज दिस 2 raised to 3 वेज. देखो ऐसे होता है. इसका मतलब क्या है? दिस इज वन वे वेयर ऑल द गाइज वेंट टू स्टेज 0. This is another way where first two guys went to stage 0 and the last guy went to stage 1. तो देखो 2 raised to 3 हो गया. इधर दो ऑप्शंस थे, इधर दो थे, इधर दो थे, सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो तो ये 8 तरीके आते हैं. You can write the binary from 0 till 7 and it will give you the 8 ways, man. So the thing is कि 2 raised to 3 तो धड़ लोग लिख लेते हैं, बट वो इनको ये विजुअलाइज करना नहीं आता, इसलिए उनसे हार्ड क्वेश्चन होता नहीं है. तो 2 raised to 3 लिखा मजे में. अब समझो 2 raised to 3 आ कैसे रहा है. ये तरीके हैं, वो फील हो सकते हैं तुमको. गाइस राइट फीलिंग इन द गूगल चैट इफ यू कैन फील दीज वेज दैट वो 2 raised to 3 तरीके एक्चुअली में ऐसे दिखते हैं. आई होप यू कैन फील इट. ओके, फीलिंग इज क्लियर राइट? गुड. नाउ बिकॉज यू फील इट आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू द करेक्ट सोल्यूशन. So the thing is that अब ये लोग मालूम है क्या कह रहे हैं? That once this tamjham is done, they are saying that what were they saying? So actually even I have not read the full question, so let me check out what are they saying. So yeah, so all the performers assigned to the same stage will perform together as a band. Okay, though some stages might remain empty. Okay, after all the performances are completed, the jury will award each band a score in the range 1 to y. Okay. So guys, ये जो different possibility बनी है ना, इनको बैंड बोला जा रहा है. गाइस टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ बैंड नंबर 1. बैंड, ये बैंड बन गया ना. तीनों बंदे को पहले स्टेज में डाला तो ये एक अलग बैंड बन गया. फिर दूसरे टाइप का बैंड ऐसा हो सकता है कि पहले दो बंदे को एक स्टेज में और दूसरे बंदे को दूसरे स्टेज में डाल, थर्ड बंदे को दूसरे स्टेज में डाल दे. बैंड 2. सो गाइस दीज गाइज आर कॉल्ड एज बैंड्स. ओके, दिस इज बैंड 3. Like this is band 8. Okay, so everyone can nicely feel these bands. Okay, great job. अब मालूम है क्या हो रहा है? अब बोल रहे y की एंट्री हुई है इक्वेशन में. Guys, who has come in our life now? Y. What will y do? Y will give the score from 1 to y to each band. So guys, in band number 1 इन बैंड नंबर 1 प्लीज टेल मी हाउ मेनी डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स आर देयर. समझो y 4 है. Guys, in band number 1 how many distinct elements are there? How many distinct elements are there? Only one element is there. Zero क्यों लिख रहे हो भाई? Is 0 0 0 is a one distinct element. Clear? अब लगता है तुमको मुझे विजुअलाइजेशन करवाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so the thing is that I only want to talk about the band 1. Okay, so in band 1 what has happened is that this was stage number 0, this was stage number 1. What happened is कि ये जो एक दो तीन ये तीनों बंदे ये स्टेज 0 पे आके खड़े हो गए. दिस इज द बैंड 1. ओके, तीनों बंदे स्टेज इस पर आके खड़े हो गए. नाउ गाइज हाउ मेनी वेज आर देयर टू गिव देम अ स्कोर फ्रॉम 1 to 4? चार ही तो तरीके हैं. इन सबको एक ही स्कोर दिया जा सकता है बिकॉज ऑल आर ऑन द सेम स्टेज. सो either you give them score 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So band 1 जनरेट्स टोटल 4 डिफरेंट वेज. क्यों 4 डिफरेंट वेज आ रहे हैं? क्योंकि तीन बैंड 1 इज गिविंग यू 4 वेज, मोर 4 वेज टू असाइन अ कलर फ्रॉम 1 to 4. व्हाई? Because all of them are standing on the same stage and the person who is on the same stage gets the same color. This is the rule given in the question that uh, all the performers assigned to the same stage will perform together as a band. Okay, and each band will get a number. So band मतलब all the guys on the same stage will get the same number. So या तो सबको 1 जाएगा, या तो सबको 2 जाएगा, या तो सबको 3 जाएगा, या तो सबको 4 जाएगा. So I hope this understanding is getting clear to you. Okay. So anyways, let me draw the band very clearly for you once again. You just need to focus on this again and again till it gets super clear. Ram Ram. So n equal to 3, x equal to 2, and y equal to 4. These are the different bands. 0 0 0 0 0 1, then 0 1 0, then 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, then 1 0 1, then 1 1 0, then 1 1 1. Okay, so everyone write agreed in the Google chat if they agree that this is the first band, this is the second band, this is the third band, or till the last band. Okay, I hope everyone has agreed with it. So guys, please increase your focus. This is the only thing which other people failed. I don't want you to fail. So put your full attention here. ये क्वेश्चन अगर तुम खुद से समझने जाते तुमको कभी जिंदगी में समझ नहीं आता. इतना गंदी तरीके से लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है. इसलिए आई एम टेकिंग माई ऑल एफर्ट्स टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. क्लियर? सो एनीवेज, these are the bands guys. इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो? n और x की चीज हो गई सॉल्व. This much part has been solved. Why? N equal to 3, you wrote here 1 2 3, and then you had to give two stages, you wrote all the ways. Now you need to know the number of ways for each band. Okay, so guys, now you want to calculate the number of ways for band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7, band 8, and then whatever you get you have to add them. That will be the final answer. So guys, please tell me, can someone write it in English and tell me what is happening on band 1? Write in English in the Google chat कि ये band 1 में क्या हो रहा है, क्या खास हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, वो तीनों लोग कहाँ चले गए. लिखो लिखो, उंगलियां यूज करो, टाइप करो, नहीं तो तुमको जॉब नहीं मिलेगी फ्यूचर में. So write in the Google chat what is happening in band 1. All people are on stage number 0. तो सारे बंदे स्टेज नंबर 0 पर है. All guys are on stage number 0. So guys, you want to give them a color. You want to give them a color. तो इन सबको तुम कौन सा कलर दे सकते हो? सर या तो आप एक कलर नंबर 1 दे दो. ओके, या फिर आप कलर नंबर 2 दे दो सबको. ये बात पता है ना कि बैंड में जितने लोग हैं उन सबको सेम ही कलर देना पड़ता है, तो वन कलर दे रहा हो तो तीनों को वन जा रहा है. रिएक्ट विद इमोजीज इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इफ यू गिव कलर वन ऑल थ्री गेट कलर वन, इफ यू गिव टू ऑल थ्री गेट कलर टू, इफ यू गिव थ्री ऑल थ्री गेट कलर थ्री, इफ यू गो फोर ऑल थ्री गेट कलर फोर. So total four ways are there to give them the color. B1 is giving four contribution in the answer. Congratulations, you understand that much. Next thing, guys, in B2 what is happening right in the Google chat? Google chat में लिखो B2 में क्या हो गया ऐसा. In B2 some guys are on stage 0, other guys are on stage 1. Two guys are on stage 0 and one guy is on stage 1. Two guys are here and one guy is on here. Okay, this is clear. There are two stages involved this time. So everyone write non-empty, non-empty, non-empty in the Google chat if they understand कि इस बार तो कोई भी स्टेज खाली नहीं है, ये भी भरा हुआ है वो भी भरा हुआ है. तो अब मुझे बताओ अच्छे से. ओके, एवरीवन टेल मी हाउ मेनी वेज आर देयर टू गिव दीज टू स्टेजेस फोर नंबर्स. या तो इधर हियर यू कैन गिव फोर कलर्स टू दिस गाइज एंड फोर कलर टू दिस गाइज, सो 4 into 4 16. बिकॉज टू स्टेजेस हैव बीन यूज्ड ना, तो पहले स्टेज को 1 से 4 में कोई भी कलर दे दो और दूसरे स्टेज को 1 से 4 में कोई भी कलर दे दो. 4 स्क्वायर, यस. सो फर्स्ट स्टेज 4, सेकेंड स्टेज 4 स्क्वायर. सो बेसिकली अभी आप लोग को मजा आना चालू हो गया होगा. एनीवेज गाइस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम टेल मी B3. B3 में हाउ मेनी वेज आर देयर टू गिव फोर कलर्स. देखो B3 में स्टेज 0 भी जिंदा है, स्टेज 1 भी जिंदा है. पहले स्टेज को 4, दूसरे स्टेज को 4, फिर से 4 स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. सो B3 also 4 square, B4 also, everyone is 4 square man. 4 square, 4 square, 4 square. 4 square guys. B8, this is a special case. सो गाइस B8 में तो एक ही स्टेज है सर, दूसरा स्टेज खाली हो गया, तो वो एक स्टेज को 4 तरीके कलर देने का 4:1 वे. समेशन ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम इज द फाइनल आंसर. क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझ आया? फर्स्ट you write all the bands linearly, then for each band you check how many distinct numbers are there, do y raised to that count, and your job is done. You solve the problem. Congratulations. So I hope you understood what's going on. Okay. सर बट सर x ग्रेटर देन 2 हुआ तो उसको बाइनरी में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? तो मैंने कहा बोला है लक्ष्मण रिप्रेजेंट करने को, मैं तुमको दिखाने के लिए दिखा रहा हूँ सिंपल वाला. x तो 1 करोड़ भी हो सकता है, तो थोड़ी ना पेपर पे लिखते बैठोगे. सो जस्ट रिलैक्स. Anyways, yeah. So guys, everyone write understood and CLR if they have understood the whole nitty gritty of the problem. N equal to 3, x equal to 2. You represent it in binary because x is equal to 2 for now. For each band, you just need to know how many distinct elements are there. तो समझो एक distinct element है तो it will be y raised to 1. This is basically y raised to 1. And if there are two distinct elements in the band, y raised to 2. That's it. Done, done, done. Yes, but guys, how can we make it easier? ये इतना बड़ा बड़ा लिखने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. What is the shortcut way to do this? You can see ना that two distinct numbers are coming in how many bands, guys? कितने bands है जिनमें दो दो distinct numbers आ रहे हैं? There are 6 bands which have two distinct numbers. How many bands are there? 6 bands. So answer is 6 into 4 square plus there are 2 bands which have one distinct number. So 6 into 4 square plus 2 into 4 is the answer. The job is done. That's it. So now let's discuss some even better cases. Okay. Okay. Let's go to this one. N3 x3. Okay. n3 1 2 3 x equal to 3. So guys, please tell me what type of sequences are possible. One is the type of sequence which will have one distinct element only. One distinct element sequence will be possible, right? गाइस प्लीज राइट इन द गूगल चैट, अगर n3 दिया है और x भी 3 दिया है तो कौन कौन से टाइप के बैंड पॉसिबल हो जाएंगे? एक तो ऐसे बैंड होंगे ना जिनमें सारे नंबर सेम होंगे। इतना दिमाग नहीं लग रहा आपका? इतनी उम्र हो गई ये भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो? 1 और 2 2 2 3 3 3, these are called as the C1. C1 is 3. ये C1 का मतलब क्या है, जरा कोई बता सकता है? C1 is nothing but the count of bands which have only one distinct number in them. Okay, so C1 is nothing but count of bands which have one distinct number in them. And whoever is in this meeting ना, right now only open your book, paper, pen and write there. नहीं तो मैं जब बाद में बोलूंगा C1 तो तुम बोलोगे C1 है क्या? लिखो लिखो अपने बुक में लिखो. C1 is number of bands which have only one distinct number in them. Number of bands which have only one distinct number in them. Clear? Everyone write the meaning of C2 in the Google chat. C1 का मतलब तो number of bands which have one distinct number in them. C2 is number of bands which have two distinct numbers in them. Clear? Yeah. Good. So guys, ये C1 3 आएगा दिख रहा है ना? अरे यही तो पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है, तो सारा वन डालो. Either you put all one, or you put all two, or you put all three. That's it. There is no other way possible. So C1 is 3. But guys, what about C3? C3 क्या होगा? दिमाग लगाओ, दिमाग लगाओ. भगवान ने बहुत दिमाग दिया है आपको. Which are the bands where all three numbers will be different? अरे तीनों के तीनों different. तो 1 2 3 and all the factorial of 1 2 3 man. 3, या तो मैं 1 2 3 लिख सकता हूँ और इसके जितने भी रीअरेंजमेंट है वो सब लिख सकता हूँ. तो 3 नंबर के 3 फैक्टोरियल रीअरेंजमेंट होते हैं, मतलब 6. So there are 6 ways to make sure that there are like 6 bands which have all three numbers as different. So 6. Okay, 6. Now guys, is C4 possible? Tell me yes or no in the Google chat. क्या तुम 3 एलिमेंट में 4 डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर ला सकते हो क्या बेटा? तो C4 तो नहीं है. अब guys, what is the trick to find C2? Total minus C. Total number of ways is C1 plus C2 plus C3. तो बेटा C2 will be total minus C1 C3. तो टोटल वेज कितने होंगे? टोटल वेज तो तुमको पता है ना, x रेज टू n. जितना भी तामझाम है, टोटल x रेज टू n. 3 रेज टू 3 9. 9 माइनस 3 raised to 3 is 27. So 27 minus 3 minus 6, 27 minus 9, 18. So guys, 18 bands are there. Okay. So guys, everyone right understood in the Google chat. If they understand that C1 is the count of bands which have only one distinct number in them. See, this is C1. This is a C1 guy. This is a C1 guy. This is a C1 guy. C2 is the band which will have two distinct number like this 2 2 1. ऐसे टाइप के 18 बैंड्स है. C2 C3 is the type of band which will have three distinct number like 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 1 3. सारे के सारे लिख देता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए. 1 3 2 3 1 2 और अब 2 3 1. लो हो गए 6 तरीके. तो इन सब में there are three distinct numbers. Okay, good. अब आएगा मजा. Guys, y equal to 4. So guys, आप ही मुझे बताओ, for C1, for this type of band, how many distinct numbers are there? How many distinct numbers are there, guys, in these bands of C1? So guys, if there is one distinct number, how many ways to assign the score? अगर एक ही स्टेज है और y कलर डालना है तो y तरीके ही होते हैं ना, y⁻1। एक डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर मतलब एक ही स्टेज आ रहा है, तो y⁻1 डन, congratulations. Now guys, the bands, I've clubbed the bands which have, are two distinct numbers. So guys, अगर दो band है, मतलब if in the band there are two stages, how many ways to assign y colors? Y into y square. So C2 dot y square plus C3 dot y cube, and this is the answer. C1 dot y raised to 1, C2 dot y square, C3 dot y cube. Everyone write brilliant, brilliant, brilliant in the Google chat if they understand the formula. Clear? Right, brilliant. Okay. So guys, can you actually calculate this and tell me, is it matching this number? देखो ना, जरा करके देखो कोई। C1 में 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, C2 में 18 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, C3 में 6 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो और Y में 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो। फिर जरा बताओ आंसर क्या आता है गाइस। ये करने के बाद कोई ना कोई तो होगा कैलकुलेटर चैट जीपीटी वाला। करो करो करो, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू। Substitute the value of C1, C2, C3 and Y is equal to 4. Please substitute and tell me what is the answer coming, guys, in your calculators. I'm waiting for you, giving 1 minute to you. ये जो फॉर्मूला हमने निकाला है, इसमें चेक करो क्या हो रहा है। C1 is what? 3, right? So 3 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4. Acha, this is it. See guys, it is 684. Okay, so 3 into 4 plus 18 into 16 फिर 6 into 64, तो देखो 684। ओ माय गॉड, इट्स मैचिंग। अब अगर वो 684 से मैच हो रहा है मतलब हमने एकदम सही कर दिया, बस फॉर्मूला चिपकाना है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। ओके, सो नाउ द प्रॉब्लम हैज बीन सॉल्व। सो गाइज, व्हाट इज द फाइनल सोल्यूशन? देखो कितना अच्छा लगता है ऐसा अच्छा अच्छा मैथ्स का चीजें लिखते हैं तब। सो नाउ focus. So what will you do now? Okay, first you calculate C1, the bands which have only one distinct stage in them. C2 is the bands which have only two distinct stages in them. Okay, guys, I have a question for you. Guys, how many like this C will go on till which number, guys? Yes, ध्रुव सांघवी, कितनी बार लिखोगे? अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, आप सब लोग इतने होशियार लोग जो यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, जरा बताइए मुझे कि अगर n 5 होता, if your n was 5, if your n was 5 and your x is 2, okay, so now you please tell me, is C1 possible? Write yes or no in the Google chat. Is it possible to get the bands which have only one distinct number? Okay, guys, is C2 possible? Is it possible that a band comes which there are two distinct numbers? Yeah, मतलब दो स्टेज हो तो दो स्टेज तो अलाउड है। C3 पॉसिबल है? नो। सो गाइस, इट विल गो ओनली टिल x. So basically tell me guys, C1, C2, C3 till, tell me the last variable. What will be the last variable? C1 मतलब वो बैंड जिनमें एक डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर हो, दो डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर हो। कितने डिस्टिंक्ट हो सकते हैं? x डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स आर ओनली पॉसिबल, क्योंकि x ही स्टेज है। CX. एवरीवन राइट, कौन पहले CX लिखा था उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. Alam Sethi Jayaram. No, Abhirami. Congratulations emojis for Abhirami, guys. He wrote the answer first. CX. Congratulations. So, guys, ये CX तक चलेगा. Okay. So you understood this, and this is great. See, I am sure no one will explain you this problem the way I am explaining. Okay. No one has that much time to explain you, by the way. Anyways, now because it takes lots of hard work. Now, guys, next thing. What is the final answer? Answer is C1 into y raised to 1 plus C2 into y raised to 2 plus Cx into y raised to x. Great job! Awesome! तो गाइस बस अब सेशन बंद कर दे, हो गया. प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है आप लोग को? आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है? मैंने तो आंसर दे दिया. कैलकुलेट करके डाल देना, हो गया पास. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम गोइंग ऑन. डू यू नो द प्रॉब्लम? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सर C1 C2 भगवान उधर थोड़ी ना बताएंगे. कौन बताएगा हमको? Who will tell you the value of C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, CX? क्या भगवान ऊपर से आके बताएंगे वो लीड कोड कॉन्टेस्ट में? No. You need to find a way yourself. So guys, tell me in the Google chat what is the problem with this formula. सब कुछ सही है, बस एक चीज प्रॉब्लम है. We know y value also, we know x value also, but we don't know how to calculate C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 till Cx. If you are able to calculate them, your job is done and you solve the problem. Clear? So write in the Google chat what we need, the value of C1, C2, C3. Okay, distinct. Okay, okay, okay. But guys, ये इसका मतलब क्या है मालूम है? अभी अभी everyone write in the chat. Forget the main question. Forget the main question. Forget the main question. अब आप मेन क्वेश्चन को भूल जाइए. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन कुछ और है. अब क्वेश्चन है कि C1 C2 ये निकालना है. अब इसका मेन क्वेश्चन से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. Everyone write in the Google chat. Forget the main question. अपनी पास्ट को भुलाइए. भूल जाइए उन चीजों को. मत याद कीजिए. Forget him or her. Forget. Okay. So now we forget all the past, and now the new question. So the new question is what, that you are allowed to use x numbers. Okay. So you are allowed to use x numbers from 1 to x. C1 is what? dp of n of 1 is nothing but C1. अब देखा कहां से डीपी ऊपर के आ गया है. ओके, सो गाइस, डीपी ऑफ एन ऑफ 1 का मतलब क्या होगा वो हमको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, सो डीपी एन ऑफ 1 का मतलब क्या होगा मालूम है? डीपी एन ऑफ 1 नहीं, डीपी एक्स ऑफ 1. डीपी एक्स ऑफ 1. डीपी एक्स ऑफ 1, बिकॉज हमारे पास तो सिर्फ ओके. सो गाइस, डीपी एक्स ऑफ 1, डीपी एक्स of 1 means means all the sequences. Okay, all the sequences till length x. Okay, so I think it should not be x, I think it should be n. Sorry for the mistake, because अपने पास तो n बंदे हैं ना. Let's write it like this: n equal to phi, right? N equal to phi, and then let's write x equal to 3. Okay, so yeah, तो जो भी बंदे हैं वो सब यहाँ पर आएंगे, राइट? सो dp n1 हमको क्या बताएगा? This will tell me that for this length how many sequences are there such that only one distinct number in them. Okay, clear? Everyone write understood, 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 understood in the Google chat if they understand the meaning of DPN1. DPN1 मतलब DP51, DP51 का मतलब 5 साइज का एरे लो आप। ओके सर, और इसके अंदर ऐसा काम करो कि सारा नंबर सेम आ जाए, वन डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर। सो DP51 विल ऑलवेज बी 5 ओनली, क्योंकि या तो सारे 1 ले लो, ये एक तरीका, या तो सारे 2 ले लो, ये एक तरीका, या एक ही डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर चाहिए ना, या तो सारे 3 ले लो, या तो सारे 4 ले लो, और टेक ऑल 5। So I hope that's clear to you, man. DP51 is 5. I hope that's clear to you. So if I try to write it easily, DPN1 equal to C1 means sequences of length n which have one distinct number in them. You can use numbers only from 1 to x. Please never forget this rule. See guys, we are going in so much depth of DP and combinatorics. I can guarantee you never did a session like this. Okay. Anyways, guys, write ready in the Google chat if everyone is ready for the next part. Once we are done calculating C1, then our job is done. Okay. Okay. So let's focus back. So DPN1 क्या कर रहा है? DPN1 is telling me for the length phi, how many sequences are there that there is only one distinct number. So guys, DPN1 formula is what for DPN1? DPN1 is always n only. DP51, DP phi मतलब 5 साइज का कितने सीक्वेंस है सच दैट एक ही नंबर उसमें आए, तो या तो सारे 1, या तो सारे 2, या तो सारे 3। 4 5 you cannot put because only 3 distinct numbers are allowed, right? Only 3 distinct numbers are allowed, right? So DPN1 is always X, by the way. Okay. So I want to make sure that all of you feel this very deeply. DP51 का मतलब क्या है? The number of ways to fill this sequence of size phi such that only one distinct number is there. Such that only one distinct number is there. Only one distinct number is there. So either you can put all 1 here, this is one way, or you can put all 2 here, this is another way, or you can put all 3 here, this is another way. Can you put all 4? No. Why? Because we are allowed to give the stage only from 1 to 3. मतलब numbers ही 1 से 3 वाले use कर सकते हैं. तो DP51 is nothing but equal to x. So DPN1 is equal to x. DPN1 is always equal to x. C1 is always equal to x. Everyone react with emojis if these many things are clear to all of you. DPN1 calculation is clear to all of you. Similarly, guys, I'm trying my best to explain you this tough problem. What will be DPN2? DP52 का मतलब मालूम है क्या है? Make sure that there are two distinct numbers here. There should be two distinct numbers, okay? Like either you can use 1 or 2 to fill this up, or 2 or 3, or 1 or 3, or 2 or 3. Try to fill this up with the two numbers only and try to tell me the number of ways to do that. DP52 is nothing but C2, but how to calculate it, that is a totally different ball game. So we will have some humble beginnings here. Let's say your n is 3, x is also 3. We will observe for this case and then our problem is solved. N equal to 3, x equal to 3. Guys, guys, see, n equal to 3 looks like this, but I don't want to solve for n equal to 3 or n equal to 2. I want to solve for n equal to 1 only for now. So guys, can anyone tell me, if I only want to know the number of sequences, valid sequences of length 1, number of valid sequences of length 1 which has one distinct element, how many of them will be there? And you're allowed to use any number from 1 to x. हाँ, ये इसमें भी तुम 1 to x नंबर डाल सकते हो. So guys, can you please tell me everyone, what will be dp1 of 1? What will be dp1 of 1? I have opened the Google chat. अगर एक ही बक्से में एक ही नंबर डालना है और 1 से x यूज कर सकते हो, तो कितने तरीके बेटा? 3 तरीके हैं, 3. So either you can put 1 in this box, okay sir, I agree with you, or you can put 2 in this box, okay sir, I agree with you, or you can put 3 in this box, okay sir, I agree with you. So dp1 of 1 is 3. So let me write here in a small fashion, dp1 of 1 is 3. Guys, what will be dp2 of 1? Or dp2 of 1, it will look like what? You want a single distinct number, so again either 1 1 or 2 2 or 3 3. So again there are 3 ways, right? So dp2 of 1 is again 3. You agree with me, right? या बट गाइस मैं इसके साथ ना वो लिख भी दे रहा हूँ कि वो एग्जैक्टली वो कौन से बंदे थे, ठीक है? सो गाइस विच वर दोज वेज, याद रखने के लिए फीलिंग नहीं आएगी तो क्वेश्चन कर नहीं पाओगे. सिर्फ जान के कितने तरीके मतलब नहीं दिखते कैसे सर, ऐसे है इनका हुलिया, या तो 1 1 या तो 2 2 या तो 3 3. But guys, dp2 of 2, I need to know from you, what is dp2 of 2? Rhyming. Congratulations. So guys, if you want two distinct numbers, there are so many freaking ways. Now, how will you be able to tell me? Guys, dp2 of 2 is not easy. क्या क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं? या तो 1 को 2 को साथ में ले लो, 1 3 को साथ में ले लो, या 2 3 को साथ में ले लो. अब ये लेने के बाद इसका परमुटेशन भी तो वैलिड है ना, 2 1 भी वैलिड है, 3 1 is also valid, and 3 2 6. Guys, I think 6. What do you think? Tell me. Guys, please tell me dp2 of 2 6, right? Only Devanshu has written. What about others? Whoever stays till the end, that shows who is focused about getting a high paying job. Others are just random time pass. Yeah, 6. Great. So I hope you understood that it is 6. So dp2 of 2 is 6. ये जिस टाइप से मैं तुमको इतना डीपली बता रहा हूँ ना, और कोई नहीं बताने वाला, याद रखना इस बात को. So dp2 of 2 is 6, but लिख भी लेते ना, दिखते कैसे थे? So let me write here. Okay, dp2 of 2 is 6, but how do they look like? They look like this, man. 1 2 2 1 1 3 3 1 2 3 3 2 1 3 3 1. So guys, you have calculated dp1 1 dp2 1 dp2 3, right? Okay. See Devanshu, such a hardworking person. See अर्पित, कितने मेहनत से कॉम्बिनेशन लिख रहे हैं. उनको एक क्वेश्चन करने की कितनी मन हो रही है, देख लीजिए. अब guys, yes, now listen. Now guys, listen. I want to calculate dp32. Listen, पहले हवे में कैलकुलेट मत कर लेना, ध्यान से सुनो. First of all, everyone write in the Google chat what we want to calculate now, guys. dp32. What we have to calculate, guys? Write in the Google chat. I want to make you active. dp32 निकालना है फिलहाल के लिए. बाद में dp31 को मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूं. ये DP31 तो इजी है, ये 3 आने वाला है, मुझको भी पता ही है। जब भी 1 आता है ना तो आंसर x ही होता है, तो वो छोड़ो। DP32 निकालनी है। We have to calculate DP32, the number of sequences of length 3, such that there are only two distinct numbers. Okay. Now, guys, you are allowed to use the numbers from 1 to 3, and you want to make sure that only two distinct numbers are there in those sequences. So, what will you do? This is nothing but dp2 of 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so what did I do here? I will tell you now. Okay, so you need to increase your focus a little bit. Okay, what would happen if I use the same number which I already have? So इसका मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ पर ये जो बच्चे थे ना, समझो ये 2 1 हो गया, ठीक है। DP2 में a guy is what, let's say I'm using this guy 2 1. So guys, अगर ये बंदा है तो इसमें कितने डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है गाइस, ये 2 1 में? कैन एनीवन राइट इन द गूगल चैट, ये 2 1 में कितने डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है? तो अगर गाइस मैं इनमें से ही कोई एक बंदा लेके यहाँ पर लिख लूं तो ये भी तो, इसके अंदर भी तो दो ही डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर होंगे ना, राइट? अग्रीड इन द गूगल चैट इफ यू अग्री दैट वॉट एवर आर द नंबर्स इन DP2 of 2, you have only two options. You can use the same number again and it will become DP3 of 2, man. So basically the main observation is that DP32 is nothing but whatever was there for DP22 multiplied by 2. Okay, so इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि ये एक एक सीक्वेंस को मैं पीछे इनके दो दो नंबर अपेंड कर सकता हूं, तो DP32 बन जाएगा। कैसे गाइस? This 2 1 is a part of DP22, right? Please tell me which are the ways कि ये DP32 का हकदार बन जाए। इसके पीछे क्या जोड़ोगे कि DP32 बन जाए? प्लीज बताओ जरा, राइट इन द गूगल चैट। थैंक यू फॉर राइटिंग ब्रिलियंट ऑल्सो। ये जो ये 2 1 किसका है? ये किसका बच्चा है? दिस 2 1 इज द चाइल्ड ऑफ DP22. What can I do so that it becomes the child of DP32? I can either add a 1 or I can either add a 2. Still there will be two distinct numbers only because I'm adding the same number which was there in it, so it does not change the distinct numbers. इधर भी दो डिस्टिंक्ट थे, उन्हीं का रिपीट मार दिया मैंने, तो दो दो ऐसे ऐसे दो दो वेरिएशन हर एक के निकल सकते हैं, इसलिए DP22 इंटू 2 कर दिया। So this is basically DPIJ equal to DPI minus 1J into J. Congratulations, such a deep DP question. Lead code has crossed all the limits. You can really say that lead code this time has crossed all the limits of making the question. Anyway, so DP अब ये इंसान कब इसको एग्जाम में करे वो मुझे भी नहीं पता. So now let's go back. But it helps you to learn a lot. So guys, tell me the general formula for any DPIJ. What is the general formula, guys? DPIJ is nothing but जो भी I-1 का था ना, ये जो भी था ना, इसी को J से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. So this is the case when same number is being used from previous sequences, from previous valid sequence, which keeps the distinct count same. Okay, great. Okay, this is done. Good, good, good. So guys, can anyone tell me the formula for DPIJ? if you are using the same number as it was in the previous sequence, it will always be dpi minus 1j into j. सेम नंबर यूज कर रहे हो, मतलब जो भी dpi माइनस 1j के अंदर था ना, अब इनके बीच में वही दो नंबर लगा दो तो इनके अंदर ऑलरेडी थे, तो ये जितने भी सीक्वेंसेस है इंटू टू हो जाएगा. क्लियर? dp2 इंटू टू guys, written. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Okay, good. Guys, is this the only way? Tell me yes or no in the Google chat. क्या तुमको लगता है सिर्फ सेम नंबर लगाना ही तरीका हो सकता है? What is the opposite of this, guys? Tell me in the Google chat. One way has been counted. What was that way? That way was when you use the same number which is in the previous sequence. Now, different number with use the number which is not in the previous sequence. Now use the number which is not in the previous sequence. इसको clearly लिखो Google chat में. We have counted the ways where we use the same number which was in the previous sequence. Okay. Plus use different number which is not in the previous sequence. Oh ho 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 ho. और ये करने के बाद your problem has been solved. So guys, इसका आंसर मालूम है क्या है? देख के डरना मत, देख के डरना मत. dp21 को बुलाया जाए, dp21 को बुलाया जाए. So who are the guys of dp21? 1 1 2 2 3 3. Guys, in 1 1 how many distinct numbers are there? Guys, in 1 1 how many distinct numbers are there? सर इसमें तो एक ही डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है सर. और तुमको कितने डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर चाहिए? तुमको कितने डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर चाहिए तुम्हारे dp32 के लिए? मतलब कितना न्यू नंबर चाहिए? You see, in 1 1 there is only one distinct number. For dp32 you want two distinct number. One more new number is needed. How many new number is needed to make dp32 in 1 1 case? One new number. एक ही न्यू नंबर चाहिए. दो क्या लिख रहे हो पूर्वांश? 1 1 तो ऑलरेडी है, अभी और एक कोई लाऊंगा तो हो जाएंगे दो डिस्टिंक्ट. खत्म, डन. So in dp21 these are the numbers, right? 1 1 2 2 3 3. Let's consider 1 1. Guys, how can I make it a number which has two distinct numbers? What numbers can I put here? Obviously I cannot use one. जो इसके अंदर already है वो use नहीं कर सकते. New numbers 2 and 3. Either you put a 2 or you put a 3. So two possibilities for this also, 2 for this also, 2 for this also. Done. dp21 into 2. The problem has been solved. Congratulations. Full formula done now. Okay. So it is dp21 into 2. So basically dp21 मैंने क्यों लिया? क्योंकि dp2 का मतलब पहली बात तो प्रीवियस इंडेक्स और 1 यानी इसमें एक ही डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है और मुझे चाहिए दो डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर, तो मैं एक न्यू नंबर डाल सकता हूं बिकॉज आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द काउंट ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट नाउ. तो न्यू नंबर कौन सा डालूंगा? वही डालूंगा ना जो इसमें था ही नहीं. इसमें कौन कौन नहीं है? इसमें दो नहीं है, तीन नहीं है. इसमें कौन कौन नहीं? इसमें एक नहीं, दो नहीं. Everyone is following the same pattern. So here in this box you could have put 2 or 3 and then it would be the child of dp32. Here you could have put 1 and 2, it would be child of dp32. Here you could have put 1 or 2, sorry, 1 and 3 and 1 or 2, it would be child of dp32. Okay, so that's it guys, and that's how this problem ends up getting solved. Okay, great. But guys, what will be the general formula? Plus dp I minus 1 means all the valid sequences till I minus 1 such that only j minus 1 distinct numbers are there. Only j minus 1 distinct numbers are there multiplied by. अब मल्टीप्लाई किससे करेंगे? ठीक है, इधर तो हमको दिख रहा है दो 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 दो, बट एक जनरल फॉर्मूला कैसे पता चलेगा? तो द थिंग इज दैट देर आर x डिफरेंट नंबर्स, राइट? यू आर अलाउड टू यूज x नंबर्स, राइट? तो गाइस दिस इज इंडेक्स i and this is index I minus 1. तुम क्या बोल रहे हो कि सर आई एम फोकसिंग हियर my dp I minus 1 the sequences which have j minus 1 distinct numbers. तो j minus 1 distinct numbers है सर इधर. ओके, तो गाइस, अगर मैंने j माइनस वन डिस्टिंग नंबर यहां पर यूज कर लिए तो यहां पर कौन कौन आ सकता है? खुद ही दिमाग लगाना जरा. विच अदर नंबर्स कैन कम देयर इफ आई हैव यूज्ड j माइनस वन डिस्टिंग नंबर्स ऑलरेडी? मेरे पास टोटल कितने नंबर्स है यूज करने के लिए? x. And j minus 1 I have used here, okay, in a sequence. So x minus j minus 1. Or this same thing was happening there also. Here our I was 3, our j was 2, and I created this brilliant array for you people. And I said that here what will be our dp I minus 1 j minus 1? It will be dp 2 1. dp 2 1 means these guys 1 1 2 2 3 3. तो इसमें कितना डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर यूज हुआ है? सर एक तो यूज हो गया है सर. और तुम्हारे पास कितने हैं? मेरे पास x है, तो x मेरे पास टोटल तीन डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है, एक इसमें से यूज हो गया तो x माइनस वन, 3 माइनस वन, दो. यहां पर दो दो डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर डाल सकता हूं. सेम गोज फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम बिकॉज इन सब की इधर एक ही डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है. सो I hope that's clear to you. Everyone write brilliant, brilliant, brilliant in the Google chat. अगर उन्होंने इतना हार्ड क्वेश्चन आज ही देखा है बहुत दिनों के बाद. So this is x minus j minus 1. And guys, बस अब हो गया. You calculate all the dpij and the problem is solved now. You have solved the problem. You don't have to do anything now. ये dpij, run the loops for I and j. Then print c1 equal to dpn1, c2 equal to dpn2. Like this, I hope you can understand what's going on, right? Sequences of length n which have two distinct numbers, right? Hmm. Okay. If you calculate I and j, तो ये आ जाएगा और finally the question has been solved. Yeah, I know you liked it. Great job. Nice. Awesome.